blowy again. Whoa. Sliding? Are we sliding? Are you lying?
Yeah. What are you doing out there with that tractor?
Man.
Jeez.
Didn't
Oh,
even
that
have a
guy
windshield. Just what?
He was lost it there. Or,
Might have.
yeah,
Kind of like we might here. Oh my goodness. Let's go nice and slow. Uh-oh. Somebody stuck?
Yeah, probably.
They need help. Oh my goodness. Maybe just don't want to drive on this.
I don't know.
Oh dear. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Dave.
What?
Can you even see where you're going?
Not required.
It is. Oh. Oh dear. We're sliding. What if something else is coming?
And they better have headlights.
We're all the way on the wrong side of the road.
I know, baby.
Oh.
You getting good footage?
For insurance. We're almost in the ditch.
We're not, yeah, almost in the ditch.
Look at that. It's covering the road.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm on the other side of the road. We got 2 more bad spots to go through.
Is this one of them?
Yep. That guy up there just stopped.
Where? Is he stopped in the middle of the road? No, he's on the side.
He's
That's
in
the one we
ditch.
saw.
That's the one in the ditch.
Yeah, that's the one we saw on the way here. But without lights, you're not going to see him.
Yeah. I can see him from here.
Yeah, because we're in a low. Oh. Oh dear. Oh dear. This is why you don't want to drive in a blizzard. Oh dear.